Hi, good morning. Kunwari na lang good morning. Kahit past 2 p.m. na. But I'm just starting my day, so it's a good morning. This is my bare face. Walang makeup, walang eme. So let's normalize being like this on TikTok. We don't have to, hindi natin kailangan mag-glam up just to make a video or content. As long as ang share naman natin ay something of value. So, since it's New Year, we just started 2026 and meron akong ngayon, challenge. I'm reading this book. It's the Daily Stoic. So, it's about sabi dito, it's 366 meditations on wisdom, perseverance, and the art of living. So, yun. So, bali ito. It's like 366 mga meditations or wisdoms about stoicism. So, ito, para siyang 1 page a day lang. So, hindi mo siya kailangan basahin agad-agad. So, 1 page a day. So, ito, para may ano na siya. May date na siya. Like this one, January. Okay. So, samahan niyo ako. Let's start with day 1, January 1st. Although, hindi ngayon January 1st, nabasa ko na to. But, I'm starting this video challenge. Video challenge ba tawag dito? But I just wanted to share, diba? So, habang binabasa ko siya, sinashare ko natin sa inyo. So, the first one is, ang topic is control and choice. So, nabasa ko na to. Meron akong pinoint out dito na maganda. Basically, ang sinasabi dito is, we should know yung mga bagay na in control tayo sa mga bagay na hindi. Meaning, sa araw-araw, diba marami tayong mga pinagdadaanan, maraming mga alam mo yun, tawag doon. Maraming mga circumstances na dumatating sa buhay natin. So, isang way nun para mapasimplify ang life is to know if yung mga bagay na to ay may control ba tayo o wala. So, sabi dito, the single most important practice in Stoic philosophy is differentiating between what we can change and what we can't. What we have influence over and what we do not. So, for example, may nangyari sa'yo. Kunwari, sa araw na to, na-traffic ka. So, yung traffic, makakontrol mo ba siya? Hindi. Pero bukas, pwede mo ba siyang kontrolin or pwede ka bang mag-adjust? Diba? Pwede ka mag-adjust. Like, pwede mong kontrolin yung sarili mo. So, okay, ngayon, yung traffic na to, hindi ko makakontrol. Pwede akong mali. Diba? So, imbis na magpadala ka sa inis, sa galit, sa, alam mo na, just, breathe muna, breathe. Tapos, isipin mo, makakontrol ko ba to o hindi? Kasi kung hindi, then let it pass. Pero bukas, may control ka na, di ba? Pwede mong gawin is, maaga kang lumabas ng bahay. Pwede yun. Kasi yun, makukontrol mo yung sarili mo. So, yan, yun mga simpleng everyday struggles or mga pwede nating ma-experience. Pero ito, syempre, pwede rin yan sa mas malaking life experiences. Like, in terms of relationships, ganyan. Diba? So, pwede dito, meron din dito nakasulat dito na isang serenity prayer. So, ito, papasahin ko. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. If we can only focus on making clear what parts of our day are within our control and what parts are not, we will not only be happier, we will have a distinct advantage over other people who fail to realize they are fighting an unwinnable battle. Alright? So, yun. I hope this helps you guys. So, if you want, you can follow me para sa day 2, January 2nd. Or, wag na natin i-ano yung date. So, day 2, and this one is different naman. So, ang topic naman dito is education is freedom. So, see you! Follow for more!